Matter of fact, our CTO, I just told him that's his project for the year is to really dive in on the manufacturing vertical and go understand like where is it going? Where does everybody else think it's going? Go hit the road and meet with people because it is changing so fast. The 3D printing, which we're getting into, the standard CNC mill, lathe, all that so normal stuff. Hey, when you and I were young guys, they quit doing trade schools, right? And having VOTech at the high school went away because they believed everybody should go to college. That's a lie. And now we're going to suffer as a country because we don't have enough tradesmen that are willing to do those things. And some of it is you got to get robots to do it because otherwise you might not be able to do it, right? So the robots allow us to run a machine 21 hours a day. Yeah, we should be thinking about advancement, and advanced manufacturing also includes digital engineering. And then my observation too is each one of the bigs, that's where I tend to focus on, right? The Boeings and the Lockheeds and et cetera. Their definition of advanced manufacturing is different. Every one of them has a different version of it. And which is also interesting when you think about the macro, like the customer, the Department of Defense and the respective services, they've got a vision of what advanced manufacturing is. Is that the same or different than the particular prime? And then how does that flow down? Everybody's still trying to figure that out. I want to be a part of that conversation. That's another thing that sort of falls out of our having those capabilities, having the digital engineering and the manufacturing capability. I can posture myself as somebody who can help you figure it out, how to implement it down further. Because again, small business guy doesn't want to spend, $2 million putting in digital engineering capability and having people that understand it. He doesn't want to do that. How's he going to make money? He's trying to keep his price as low as he can to win the work and cut the metal. And, he doesn't want the engineering firm over there to see his secret sauce, which is how he programs the spindle to cut faster than anything else, right? So he can be 4 minutes faster than the next guy, which allows him to price it lower. I mean, there's just a lot of little things inside of there that give you these cost efficiencies or perceived ones that you got to think about and try to figure out. So that's where the advanced part, I think, of manufacturing is going. It's not just, most people say, oh, 3D printing. Well, it's a lot more than that. It's taking the robots and how do you flow the design all the way through, get rid of paper, still maintain configuration control, all of those things.